Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Auto. If you will join membership, so it's intro about the membership. Why do professional PLC and SCADA project look reusable and easy to troubleshoot, while beginner project become complicated and very fast? Why do senior automation engineer create a one logic and use it hundreds for motor, valve and other devices? And why do professional SCADA system use one pop-up for multiple equipment instead of creating hundreds of separate scripts, right? So if you also want to learn these professional programming concepts used in real industries, then this member series for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to TS Automation. In this membership series, you are not going to learn only basic programming, you will learn a professional concept used in real industries, industrial automation projects. You will start from hardware configuration, how to add PLC hardware, how to configure IO module, communication setting and other setting of IO module and PLCs, best practice used in project. Then you will move in IO mapping. IO mapping means when you will move, then you will understand what is IO mapping. How professional engineer organize DI, DO, AI, EO, how to create structure mapping, and why proper mapping is very important for clean programming and after that you will learn one of most important professional concept is called add-on instruction, AOI. Do you know AOI? What is AOI actually? Why do industries use AOIs for motors, valves, pumps and process equipment also? Can you create instruction like professional engineer? Yes. And in this series you will learn how to create AOI, add-on instruction, how to use AOI, reusable programming concept. We will learn another powerful SCADA concept is called reusable pop-up. Why create 100 different motor screen when one pop-up can control everything? How do professional SCADA system automatically open motor 101, 102 or valve 201 using same pop-up? You will learn what is reusable pop-up, why it is important, how to create it, parameter passing concept or parameter file and parameter list, professional faceplate style, pop-up development, etc. These concepts are widely used in dairy industries, pharma industries, FMCG plants, water treatment systems, process automation projects. So this is not only theory, this is a real industrial programming concept. And along with the membership video, you will also get what? Logics example, PPTs, practical file and also structure programming reference. So you can practice while learning. If you want to move from normal programming to professional industrial automation programming, if you want to learn reusable engineering concept and if you want to build project using professional standard, then you can join. Let's start learning like a professional automation engineer. Thank you.